and it only took 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
I think we got your attention by now, right?
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this quick video, like literally installing this wig in like 8 minutes top. So yeah, it's gonna be like a little challenge. But before I get into this video, I want to tell you this is my same hair from Beautyforever hair. I had this hair I installed this hair in a previous video, the one where I was showing you how I remove my wigs at night. So yeah, if you want to check out that video, I will have it up and down above over here so you guys can check it out. Also, I'm gonna have my post notification on the screen. Thank you guys for being first to my last video. I appreciate y'all so much. And yeah, let's get right into this video. If you want to be part of my next post notification shout out, don't forget to turn on your post notification and comment down below. That's it. Alright, so let's get right into this video so y'all can see the new technique to install your wigs quick as shit.
In your sleep, your dirty secrets too far gonna keep. About to lose my
I'm gonna sacrifice the heat, okay? Because I had my fan on and I was listening to music, but I'm like, let me talk to y'all. All I'm gonna do is mix both the mousse and the hairspray. This is the quickest install ever, especially like if you guys are home. Because are you home still? I'm not sure. I don't know if this works outside because I never tried this before, but I want to test out a new thing and see if it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work, but yeah, instead of doing the whole thing where you hold down the whole wig and do that extra stuff, I put the elastic band in the back of the wig really tight. I'm gonna start off with 2 pumps, and then I'm gonna just spray this and mix it just how I was doing the baby hairs. Just gonna mix it around, and I'm gonna just swipe it with my hand and just put it on the front of the wig.
can't even look me dead in the
I hope this works. And then I'm just going to just spray the hairspray and swoop these hairs.
Say you love me, but I know it's a lie. When I work so hard to keep you satisfied.
Let me see. I just want to see if I could do like the quickest install. See if this could be my quickest install. I never tried this before and I think it's working. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more mousse and then spray it. And now I'm gonna do the side. I'm sculpting it with the mousse, and then obviously we use the spray to stick the wig down. So I just sculpt it with the mousse. I have too much edges. Ooh, you should do this with no makeup on. Alright, and then just spray it down. And I'm gonna do the other side.
Away from me. And I sure won't stay, but I'll be damned if I
spray it down. Tie this down. I'm gonna just wait a little while. This might be my quickest install. No, this is my quickest install. I'm not even editing this video. It's on 5 minutes. Alright, some is falling down my face, so I'm just gonna wipe it with a paper towel. I might have to go in with some scissors and cut a little bit of that lace off because this lace is too much. Yeah, this is better. And I'm just gonna leave this to dry. This might just as well be a game changer. It's too much work doing it in sections and stuff, so hopefully this come out good. I'm gonna put my fan back on and put back on my music, and then I'll be back.
you'll always be mine. Say I'm the only one you need. Say I'm
Wait, I cannot complain. Look.
keep. Don't break me down.
Y'all, nah. I think this might be the new thing. Because not only is it glueless, it's actually like stuck. And it only took 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. If you try this method out, please don't forget to tag me because I'm actually shook. Like, what? Nah. I didn't even expect it. I didn't even expect for it to stick. Wow, y'all. This is my Beautyforever hair. I will link the video that I did previously with this wig in the eye above over here so you guys can check it out. Yo, this is crazy. I think my wig is a little bit too much back. It had to be like where the edges are. It had to be down here a little bit, but that's fine. That's not the purpose. The purpose is this wig is stuck. And you see that? The lace is so melted. I like this. I think I'm gonna be doing this method again soon because I want to see if I could do it with straight hair. This is amazing. Oh yeah, this hair is beautiful, by the way. You can see it. Look how soft and big this hair is. Look at this. I didn't put any product or anything on it. I wish I had it a little bit back. Bye.